I contacted one of my good friends in Chiapas and told her I was coming back into Mexico. She told me that she had just been to an amazing place in a small town called Tzimol. She told me that she visited some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, and the people that were leading the tours there wanted to keep everything small, wanted to keep it special, wanted to keep it pristine. They didn't want it to get big. They didn't want it to become just another Instagram photo. They wanted it to be a place where friends could enjoy each other. And this, to me, was special. This is what travel is all about. And today, for the 30 people that are going to see this video, I wanted to share this with you. Please don't share. Let's keep this small and special. Enjoy.
This project didn't start as a project. We started coming here when we were younger, with friends. So it was a paradise just for friends. And then, like in 2014, more or less, I started thinking about selling it to the people. But we didn't want to sell it as massive tourism. We want to sell something different in Chiapas. So that's why we are selling now adventure tours with few people, not too many. So in 2015, we officially start like Las Tres Amelias, and since that we have been like working well. We have been like year by year, we have been getting more customers because they are looking for adventure, and we have adventure here. So yeah, basically we start like that. Noé, ¿has escuchado cuando dicen que lo trenchó el sombrerón?
I think what makes it really special, one, is because there are not many people there, which is what I really liked about the place. When we were there, it felt like the place was just for you. So we just started with nothing really, just like doing what we used to do as friends, just going camping. And I remember going the first time and I felt so many emotions at the same time. It was like fear and exhilaration and excitement all at the same time, adrenaline. So I hadn't felt like that in a long time. So that was a feeling that really stuck with me. And I think as compared to other places where you pay an entrance fee and like everything is really like follow this path and buy this thing at this shop, and you know, it's just really guided and like stand here to look at this, whereas over here like you are really in it.
Editing this footage has really made me think. Now more than ever, we should think about what sharing means to us and the value of a shared experience can never compare to hitting that share button. A while ago, I stopped uploading to Instagram. I mean, it's just fake. How many times can you be followed by the same channels, time and time again? Editing this video reminds me of that importance which shared experiences mean to all of us. Even showing you this, no matter how hard I try, you will never feel the chill of the water, the hesitation before launching yourself through the air, or the absolutely incredible feeling of standing on the edge of a waterfall. I guess the question would be, if we shared less, do we live more? Let me know what you think in the comments below. 80 Beyond.